Hi, Mike at ABC Fullerton Vacuum and Sewing LLC here in Fullerton, California. I wanted to talk today about a subject that most people find distasteful, and that's cleaning your carpeting. Not vacuuming, actually cleaning it like we're supposed to do. We wash our clothes frequently. We're supposed to clean our carpeting so that it never gets dirty. We ultimately want to keep it clean, not just clean it when it gets dirty. And there's a number of methods that we can use to accomplish that, from truck mounted extraction, where you hire somebody, the powders, the hose, the most moist sawdust method, and you work it in, pad bonnet cleaning. You may buy a Bissell extractor maybe at one of the discount stores and try and do it yourself. And all these have mixed results. Some are okay, some are a disaster. Many times the carpeting gets too wet, and then you find you get ripples in it because it's stretched. Sometimes some of the truck mounted guys get it so wet they cause mold problems. Well, we have a method that, believe it or not, you're going to want to clean your carpeting. The weekend's going to come and you're going to say, let's clean the carpeting. It's really unbelievably easy and extremely effective. So effective and easy, you're going to want to clean your carpeting every month. So let me show you what we do. It's called the Lindhaus Encapsulation Method. And what I do is I pour 12 ounces per gallon, or I'll mix up usually a half a gallon because it goes a long way, 6 ounces and a gallon of water of the encapsulation liquid, which is a peroxide based. It's a color safe brightener. It's also good at getting grease and oils out. If you have pets, it's wonderful. And it helps to sanitize the carpeting as well as clean it. What I do is I have my pump sprayer. It's going to be this easy. You're not going to believe this. You're going to think I'm making this up, but it's really this easy. And I'm going to okay. Now obviously, if I wanted to do my whole store, I'd do this in a larger area, but I do it this quick and this easy. I'll grab my machine. Now, all Lindhaus vacuums are also encapsulation carpet cleaners also. They're a dry vacuum cleaner, and they can also do what I'm using their standalone product to do. I'm just showing you this one because it's super, super easy. Here's all I'm going to do. I already sprayed it. This brush spins at 4,000 RPM. And it's going to work it in and help activate the product. That's it. Now picture if you just got new carpeting and it's in perfect shape and you did this every month. Your carpeting would stay clean. It would never get dirty. You'd never have spots in your carpeting because this takes out spots excellently. It's really that simple. You'll want to clean your carpeting, I assure you. Thanks for watching.